you're an AdSense publisher and when you sign into your AdSense account, you see this warning, fix now, earnings at risk. That's been up there for almost a year for me, but I didn't understand it. I wasn't ready to grasp it. I am now. I totally understand, and I'm going to show you how to add ads.txt files to protect yourself so nobody steals from you. Here we go. The two websites I'm concerned about, MyIncomeJob.com and StoreBuy.shop. They are two websites that I plan on working on for decades. MyIncomeJob.com, StoreBuy.shop. All of these other ones, that's when I was practicing. What you do is, you click download, and then down here, the file will open. I don't want to open it because I don't want to show my publisher ID. But what will populate when you open the text file after downloading it, you'll receive this code. And what you're going to do is you're going to change all these zeros from zeros, and you're going to add your AdSense publisher ID there. The plugin I am building my websites using WordPress, ads.txt manager. There are many other ones out there, but that's the one I chose to use. Make sure you install the plugin and then activate it. Then underneath settings, you're going to scroll down to ads.txt, click it, and this blank screen opens. And what you're going to do is, you're going to, oh, I'm sorry. I don't know why that's giving me a hard time now. I'll do it again. Copy. What you're going to do is paste that code into the field and then add your publisher ID right there. When you're done, click Save Changes. All is good. The reason why you're doing this is, as publishers adapt to ads.txt, buyers will be able to more easily identify the authorized digital sellers for a participating publisher, which is me, allowing brands, merchants, companies, businesses that do business with Google AdSense to have confidence they are buying authentic publisher inventory, which is my real estate space on my websites. There's a Google AdSense there. There's a Google AdSense ad unit there. And one more example, I use link units on a lot of my pages. But that's why you're doing that, folks. You're protecting yourself from fraud. You don't want people to cheat, to steal from you. And it's authentic. It's telling the companies and the merchants that do business with Google AdSense, because Google AdSense reaches out to publishers like me, and they just want to confirm that it's authentic. One more thing. Here's another way of saying it. ads.txt specifies a mechanism for publishers to list their authorized digital sellers in order to fight against fraud and misrepresented domains. Do you get it? I really understand this now. Version 1.0.2 now details how publishers can indicate if they do not authorize any sellers. You need to do this, folks. It took me a long time to really understand this. If you need the links above, here's a link. Browse around. Oh, here's a link up here that's very important. ads.txt guide for AdSense. And I scrolled down, and then I clicked on how do I set up ads.txt file for WordPress. And then I realized how easy it was. All I had to do was install a plugin. Submit the information, the file, the link that was created, right? In a way, it's a link. And then click Save Changes. And that's all you have to do to protect yourself. Protect your assets. Don't let people steal from you. Prevent fraud. Okay, folks, I hope this helped you. I hope you learned something. Good luck. Have a good one. Bye, guys.